The PDP governorship candidate, Jide, has rejected the tribunal judgment declaring Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu winner of the election in Lagos. He believes the judgment is not in conformity with the 1999 Constitution and the Electoral Act 2022. The party also says it is committed to undertaking a review of the judgment upon receipt of the certified true copy and subsequently issue directives to the legal team. According to the statement released by the party's publicity secretary, Hakeem Amode, the opposition party wants its supporters to remain calm and abstain from any activity that may disrupt the peace of the state. I have joining me to discuss the tribunal judgment a lawyer, Jide Ologun, to talk about this latest development, and he joins us from Lagos. Thank you for joining us on TVC News at 1. Let's begin with your reaction to the tribunal judgment. Did you see it coming?
Thank you very much. Of course, when you look at the direction of litigation and some basic elements that are required for you to record victory, you can almost predict the outcome. For example, if you look at Section 131 of the Evidence Act 2011, it says whosoever desires any court to give judgment as to any legal right or liability dependent on the existence of facts which he or she asserts shall prove that those facts exist. And having listened to the tribunal judges, for instance, in the case of the presentation of the fake result, for instance, the opportunity was there to have invited those who come to testify. Because when you talk about law, you talk about issues, you talk about facts, you talk about your evidence, you talk about even bringing your witnesses to support your case. And your case will either win or fall on the strength of how you drive it. And that is why the judges have taken their time to read out all the elements that will help the citizens understand how the judiciary operates. And for instance, you look at matters that were declared by the tribunal as being issues that are pre-election in nature. So you could have dealt with that before even come before this tribunal. And basically, the constitution of the country, which we call the Grand Norm, and the Electoral Act has really assisted in coming to the conclusions in this matter. But having said this, it's also good to point out that the three judges decided unanimously, and they have given all the parties the opportunities to present their cases before the tribunal. And I must commend all the parties in court for giving, strength to democracy. Because
Indeed.
the gate of judicial intervention has been kept open by the Electoral Act and the Constitution.
But as it is, yes,